How to shave your leg. Some of the items you need is a razor and some shaving cream. And by razors, I mean a few razors. The first part of our leg we're going to shave is our calf. The first thing you want to do is get some shaving cream, put it on your hands, rub it together, and start rubbing on your leg. Don't forget to wash your hands once you're done. Now, before you start shaving, I'm going to teach you how to hold your razor. You want to grip the handle and leave your pointer finger behind the razor. Before you start shaving, make sure your razor is wet. You'll want to start at the bottom of your leg, apply a firm amount of pressure, and go up your leg in a straight line. And make sure your line is straight or else you leave cuts. Don't forget to rinse off your razor that has an excessive amount of shaving cream on it. Another alternative method you can do for shaving is put your foot on the wall, start at the bottom of your foot, and pull your way back with the razor. Another thing I want to mention is when you finish a spot on your leg, you want to stop moving the razor and then pull away from the leg. This will prevent any cuts since you aren't moving the razor and pulling it away from your leg. To get behind your leg, twist your foot to the left, put your razor at the bottom of your leg, and pull it upwards towards you. To get the other side of your leg, twist your foot to the right and start shaving from there. After shaving for a while, your razor might look like this. To get rid of the hair, you'll want to get a towel and use your razor the opposite way to shave on it. Once you get rid of your hairs, you can start shaving again. If you notice there's still a good amount of leg hair on you, apply more shaving cream and shave those spots again. The next part I'm going to cover is your knee. I recommend sitting down and position your leg to make your knee as round as possible. And shave slowly here. Don't go too far. You don't want to shave where the surface gets rough, especially at the sides of your knee. At the sides, you want to go until your halfway point of your knee. Stop and pull out, readjust, and go where you left off and reach the top of your knee. Also, don't forget to apply more shaving cream. This will make your life 10 times easier. Depending on your leg, if you notice your razor isn't shaving as much as hair before, every half leg shaved, you'll want to get a new razor. Now let's get behind our knees. You want to turn your foot to the right while sitting down, place your razor towards the bottom back part of your knee, and slowly go up. Make sure your leg is straight since you don't want any rough edges. Also, don't forget about shaving cream. To get the other side of your knee, turn your foot to the left and repeat the steps as before. Now we're moving on to our thighs. You'll want to put your razor at the top of your knee or where your hair is left off and pull back until where your thigh ends. Don't forget your shaving cream. Also, to shave the back part of your thighs, move your foot to the left or to the right, then shave where you're left off. And now, the grippers.
What did he say?
I'm gonna make this quick. You'll want to start right beneath your big toe, pull the razor towards the beginning of your foot, then go to each of your toes carefully and pull slowly. Make sure it's straight and doesn't interfere with the other toes. Also, don't forget the side of your ankles. You'll want to start at the bottom of your hairs and pull your way up. Do it for both sides. And bam, you got a smooth leg. Please subscribe.